In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CD ROM or DVD drive is missing in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. First thing you're going to do, go here, type in Device Manager. In Device Manager, find the CD drive. So here, it should be here. So for me, my computer does not have a DVD or CD ROMs, but if you do, you will be able to see them here. It will be called DVD/CD ROM drives. And once you find them, you will basically expand them like this. And what you would do, I'm showing this as just an example. You would click on the DVD/CD ROM drives. But here is just a different, just as an example. So you would right click on whatever drive you have. And then you would enable it. So if it's disabled, you would just enable it, and if it's already enabled, try to update its driver, and hopefully this should fix your issue.